Hi everyone, welcome back to Felix Arwell. Here I am doing a dirty pour and I'm not using much silicone. The only silicone cell activator that I am using is a tiny little bit of Flow Aid and the dirty white, the unbleached white, and also the metallic gold will create cells too. It helps to activate cells. So this glass jar, this is the one that has the only color that has the Flow 8. I use Flow 8 as a cell activator. And this Plumsy is going to be my high contrast. I love this plum. So I will be doing the dirty pour and then I'm going to drag a black flower on top of this pour. Well, I'm going to drag a string. I'm going to pull a string to make a flower. I am now ready to start pouring. This formula, it's a little more flowy than my regular formula. My regular formula is just 1 part paint, 2 parts flowetrol or the glue, whatever it is that you use. But I added paint booster, and paint booster is really, it's like water almost. And paint booster, it's tricky. Sometimes once you blow the air bubbles, it might give you a lot of tiny little cells, which I personally don't like. I will show you an example pretty soon. Or it just might look wonderful. And thank God this particular piece turned out good, I think. And I love the cell action that happened. Overall I like how it looks, how at the end how it looks, except for one little aspect of it. And it's just a gamble. Every piece is a gamble, really. So now I'm blowing the air bubbles so they don't dry like little, they look like debris on your paint once they dry if you don't pop them. All right, you can follow this link up here to see my comparison between paint booster and flowetrol. Okay, so this is the undesired effect that paint booster sometimes has on the finished product. As soon as I apply heat to it, it pops, all these tiny little bubbles pop cells. But for some reason, I don't really like this type of bubbles cells. So I don't know if anybody out there has had the same results, but I think heat is a contributing factor to it, but I'm not 100% sure because I use heat on this particular piece I'm doing and I didn't have that effect, thank God. So here I am. The black paint I'm using on the string does have Flow Aid to help make more cells. So technically all I am doing here is dragging, pulling the string towards me, and at the very end I just drag the tip of the string. And in a moment I will use it even as a brush, but just the tip of the string, since the string's separating, and it opens up like a little bit, like reminds me of the hairs of a brush, just like 5 hairs. So this section of the flower, I thought it needed something, so I added gold, metallic gold, because you don't see much gold on the background. Now once it dries you see it more, but right now that it's wet I don't really see it. So I just wanted more gold, and here's where I'm using the string as a brush, just very slightly dragging that paint, that gold, bringing it down. It's all done. I will leave it alone, give it time to dry, the usual 12 to 20 hours, somewhere there, depending on your weather. It will be dry to the touch, but it needs time to cure though. You gotta give it a long time for curing. To do more work on it, if you want to paint on top of it, wait at least 3 weeks, 3 to 4 weeks. Okay, here is the finished product, all done. Look at that shiny metallic gold. I love it. I really do. Look at this. Nice. Now this section on the other side, on the other hand, I don't think I like it. I kind of regret doing that, but you never know. Art is always a gamble. Still looks good. Still looks good. Well, thank you everyone for watching this video. Subscribe if you would like to see more. If you already have, thank you very much. You are helping making my channel grow. And just give it a like and share with your artsy friends and family. Bye bye.